Good morning, everyone. I am Aditya and I'm from NTTF Murbad. I am here to present my shop talk topic, which is Internet of Things, IoT. So just imagine you're sitting at your workspace and you suddenly realize that you haven't switched off the AC. Wouldn't it be great that sitting at your workspace, you can control that AC by your smartphone or your laptop? Yes, it is possible with the help of the IoT. Internet of Things IoT is the ever-growing network of the physical objects, which is connected through each other through an IP address. Just like we humans are connected to each other through some internet connectivity or the social media platforms such as Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, Facebook. Just like them, other physical objects are also connected to each other through an IP address. And this whole term is referred as IoT. There are two types of devices connected in IoT. Those are general devices and the sensing devices. The general devices consist of the devices we use in our daily life, such as air conditioner, fan, television, washing machine. And the sensing devices we cannot see, which are inside the circuit, which are light detection, proximity sensors, radiation sensors, and the pressure sensors. The statistics says that currently the world's population is around 7.6 billion people, and till now the IoT devices connected is around 50 billion, and it is globally predicted that the number can reach up to 80 billion till 2025. Though the IoT is too much standardized and it is too much forward, there are some challenges faced by IoT such as security concern, technological requirement, technological standardization, and software complexity. But the projection of the impact of IoT on Internet of Things economy is impressive, with as many as 100 billion connected IoT device and global impact of around $11 trillion by 2025. The impact on global economy is not the seamless, and the journey is also not the seamless. There are challenges, and the challenges can be overcome. With this, I would like to conclude myself. Thank you so much.